Most people will spend their entire lives working to pay off things they've already consumed. They are trapped in a loop, trading their freedom for a credit score. But that ends today. Debt isn't just a financial burden. It's a tax on your future peace of mind. Stop funding your past and start financing your future. In this video, we are breaking down the exact step-by-step formula used by self-made millionaires to destroy debt, reclaim their income, and build real wealth. No fluff, no impossible sacrifices, just strategy. Let's get into it. Step number 1. The debt audit and the psychological pivot is facing the numbers. You cannot fight an enemy you refuse to look at. You need to conduct a brutal, honest debt audit. Pull up every single account. Write down 3 things: total balance owed, the minimum monthly payment, the interest rate, APR. Here is the psychological pivot. Stop viewing debt as a permanent monthly bill. Shift your mindset to view debt as an emergency. Every dollar you pay in interest is a dollar stolen from your future investments. Once you know exactly what you owe, you choose your weapon of mass destruction. Step 2. Avalanche versus Snowball. There are 2 internationally proven strategies to kill debt. You need to pick the one that fits your psychology. Option A is the Debt Snowball. You list your debts from smallest balance to largest balance, regardless of interest rates. You attack the smallest one with every extra dollar you have, while paying minimums on the rest. When that first small debt is gone, you roll that entire payment into the next smallest. This creates massive psychological momentum. Option B is the Debt Avalanche. Here, you list your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. Mathematically, this is the most efficient route because it saves you the most money in interest. If you need quick wins to stay motivated, choose the Snowball. If you are strictly driven by the math, choose the Avalanche. Pick one today, commit to it, and do not look back. Step 3. The Income Accelerator. Budgeting alone won't get you out of debt fast enough if you have an income problem. You can only cut your expenses so far, but your income potential is limitless. To crush debt at hyperspeed, you need to widen the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Take on a high-leverage side hustle, sell the items cluttering your space, or negotiate a raise. Every single dollar of this extra income does not go to lifestyle inflation. It gets funneled directly into your debt weapon from step 2. Getting out of debt isn't about luck. It's about execution. Remember, stop funding your past and start financing your future. If you are ready to take radical accountability for your financial freedom, drop a comment below saying, "I am in," and let me know which strategy you're using, Snowball or Avalanche. Click the video on your screen right now to learn exactly what to do with your money after the debt is gone, so you can start building real wealth. Hit subscribe, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next video.